Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. Today's format is going to be a little different than usual. While I was sleeping, a lot has happened. I wanted to give you a summary of events rather than simply reading the latest announcement. Two of the biggest events I wanted to bring to everyone's attention is the two largest ape sales to happen in the last few days. A CryptoPunk collector purchased Bored Ape 9361 for 55 ETH, approximately $137,000. Wow, fantastic purchase there. There's also been a solid gold fur ape with bubblegum and an eye patch. Nice style, buddy. That sold for 40 ETH, approximately 100K. Seeing some pretty awesome rare apes going for some damn good prices. Congratulations on those sales. I'd also like to bring everyone's attention to the tweet shared by Gordon in the BAYC announcements section on the Discord. I'll be reading a portion of the article linked in the tweet. It relates to the Bored Ape Community Grant Program. They've announced the first awardees. Congratulations to everyone listed in the following article. I won't be reading the article in its entirety. The first round of grant awardees. Number 1, $2,000 to Jenkins the Valet. We've loved hearing the insights and tales from Jenkins, aka BAYC number 1798, the Bored Ape Yacht Club's beloved Yacht Valet. Jenkins learned a lot about the club and its members during his tenure as the BAYC's valet. Since then, he's been working with apes of all types to tell their stories in an exercise of communal collaborative storytelling. We're proud to announce a grant of $2,000 to Jenkins to continue working with club members to build rich, intersecting storylines that will eventually take the form of a complete book. To learn more about what Jenkins is up to and apply to be the subject of one of his stories, check out at Jenkins the Valet. Number 2, $3,000 to Novo Crypto for the Bored Ape Ladies Modeling/Residency Program. Novo has been an advocate for female identifying club members, and especially female artists, since the club first launched and established the Twitter handle at Bored Ape Ladies for this purpose. We're proud to announce a grant of $3,000 to support Novo's DAO-inspired, not-for-profit project that will support apeless female NFT artists and enable them to create within the BAYC ecosystem. Number 3, $1,000 to Beijing DAO to help support real-world ape meetups. Beijing DAO, aka Josh Hong, has been another stupendous community organizer in the Ape Yacht Club. He's held numerous spaces for club members, helped advise new projects by apes, and put together a pretty kick-ass map showing how much real estate is owned by apes in the sandbox. We received numerous grant applications looking for support with meetups, and think Josh makes the most sense to help spearhead this effort. Number 4, $1,000 to the Real Estates. The Real Estates are a collective of over a dozen Bored Ape members that came together to purchase a prime 1x1 in the sandbox between the BAYC's plot and Dingaling's massive estate. The group intends to create a BAYC themed recreation center that will serve as a bridge between the two estates and has some dope designs for it in the works. We've loved how inclusive, thoughtful, and collaborative the group has been, so we know the funds are in the right hands to create something special for the community in the metaverse. Number 5, $2,000 to the Aped Collective to support a pop-up art show in Los Angeles. The Aped Collective, a group of Bored Ape members, is partnering with a gallery in Venice, California, to bring an ambitious BAYC-themed art show and experience to life. We know they're in the early stages of this, so we won't speak too much for them, but we're excited to see what Aped and Crunch XBT put together. Disclaimer: while we feel great about all the above awardees, we want to be clear that we are not directly associated with any of them. We hate that we have to say it, but if at any point something smells fishy, trust your nose. Alright, apes, I've got one last thing to say. Congratulations to each of you. Your ideas sound fantastic. Can't wait to see what you come up with. Looking forward to hearing who else gets nominated. Stay bored. Love y'all.